Hi there, this is Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi. In this video, I want to let you know that if you want to be happy in life, you can be happy. If you want to be peaceful, you can be. If you want to be rich and famous, you can be, because you become what you think about. So it is your thought which governs your whole life. Absolutely. And then what you should think. There are some guidelines by the ancient sages and saints which I want to recite with you in aphorism in Sanskrit and then I translate in Hindi. The first is you have to take full possession of your mind and control and direct it towards whatever a specific aim of your life. So the first thing is take full possession of your mind, because your mind is the real power which can really achieve everything for you, because whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can really achieve for you. But you have to demand from your life, you have to demand for your mind what you want in life. And in Sanskrit it is said in Gayatri Mantra, Om Bhur Bhuvasva Tat Savituru Varanyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Means, here is a prayer to the universe. I meditate upon the divine power, the spiritual forces to stimulate our intelligence, because intelligence means our mind, the thinking power. So that is that. We meditate upon the adorable effulgence of the resplendent vivid fire Savita. May he stimulate our intelligence. This is the first thing you have to concentrate. Means mind, mind, mind. Our power is in our mind. Power is nowhere else. It is in the mind. And that's why you see the modern time also, a lot of people are doing a lot of great work. Elon Musk, one of the greatest. Then Steve Jobs, no more, but still great. Bill Gates, Bezos, Zuckerberg, and Sundar Pichai. These all people are really master of their fate and captain of their soul, because they have taken full control of their mind. And that is mentioned in the ancient history of Vedas and Upanishads. That is Gayatri Mantra. You have to take full possession of your mind, and then yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be really very successful person on this planet earth. Second is, you have to develop this thinking power. That is, you have to always go to the truth. You have to follow the path of truthfulness. That is, asado ma sadgamya. You are telling yourself, affirming, reaffirming, suggesting many, many times that you will be going towards truth, because truth is the real key to happiness, joy, peace and success. If you are a liar and cheat, you can never be successful in life. And that is well developed and put in a very particular fashion by Patanjali Yoga Sutra, and that is Yama. That is non-violence, truthfulness, and non-stealing, controlling your sexual energy, and being non-possessive. That is Yama. Ahimsa, Satya, Astya. Ahimsa, Satya, Astya, Brahmacharya, and Aparigraha. Also these wonderful thoughts of yourself controlling and directing, that is called Niyama. And here you find Swaksha, Santosa, Tapsa, Swadhyaya, and Isura Paridhana. Means you have to be very clean, mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally. Then you have to be really very contented person. You earn as much as you want, but unless you are contented, you can never be happy in life. Contentment. And non-stealing. Never allow greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynical thoughts to really dominate your mind. Otherwise, that can bring all these kind of sorrow, suffering, grief and pain. And then pratyahara. You have to really focus your mind internally. The whole world of joy, peace and happiness is within your mind, inside yourself. Don't look up for opportunity here and there. It is very much within yourself, in your introvert. Don't look for here and there all over the world, because you will never find it. It is within yourself. That is pratyahara, dharana, dhyana and samadhi. Dharana, dhyana and samadhi means you have to concentrate, you have to really meditate upon the truth and reaffirm it, and then you are happy. So that is the meaning I am telling you. Asado ma sadgamya. Bring me from darkness to light, Tamso ma jyoti gamyo, that is darkness to light, and mrityu ma mitam gamyo. And if you really follow these path, you will never be unhappy. So bottom line, the Gayatri Mantra tells you, tell full possession of your mind, and then you are happy, point one. Second, there are some three aphorisms which is suggesting you, and that is very, very vital. You have to move always from falsehood to truthfulness. Second, you have to be always going from darkness of ignorance, indolence, thoughtlessness, uselessness, bestial thoughts and groveling thoughts to the thoughts of purity. And third, and which is very, very important, is that if you seek immortality, you will get it. But these are the different ways. Thank you, viewers. Best of luck. Keep striving. Thank you. Thank you very much.